Good morning, Vlogmas 10. Hope you aren't tired of seeing me being very cute with no makeup and all messed up. We are trying to figure out a color to call this green shirt. Christian needs trail mix really loudly. I'm coming up with some good ideas on painkillers, like caterpillar green. It's nice. Christian's not as amused. This is the green. You see, it's so pretty. I tend to look at paint swatches to kind of think of colors, so that's what I'm doing. Why are you so awkward on my chin?
I just did your eyelashes like you did them.
I don't have any more eyelashes.
Look. Hey. I'm fine.
Lemon
They're
mint.
going to look at it.
Spring moss. Margarita. Wild apple. Celery. Crayon green. Green slime. I found it, babe. A green slime. Confirmed color. Will be known shortly. Not yet. I want to name it something Christmassy. Elf green.
I like that.
This is a good angle.
Elf green.
Eating some trail mix. Nala's overstimulated. I'm gonna name the shirt Mistletoe Green. You jump on me, I will murder you. I want a peanut butter ball. Oh, so yummy. Oh! Still good. I have hiccups, it's fine.
Had them all day.
Now, I have a meal here from Mrs. Squeamon. She's just the sweetest woman in the whole world. So I have some rice, some corn, and chicken. Now, and pineapple.
Pineapples.
Ow.
Somewhere else.
And that's what's going on. Just thought I'd update you on the fact that I'm eating food.
And changed. Or you already.
And I changed. It's the same color though.
And you brush your teeth.
What's up, Nikki? How's it going?
Are the devil, first of all. And I'm gonna try to get it by myself because I'm working on independence.
Okay.
Now, hold on. The hiccup missed me at that time. Huzzah!
Woo! That was good.
I did it! Okay, now my goal is the laptop. That's the goal here.
Oh, that's the goal here?
It's right there. It's pretty close. And I also want to get the game and put it in the Xbox.
Wait, let's start with the laptop.
Sounds overwhelming.
Yeah, I'll start with the laptop. You just got up by yourself for the first time.
Okay. Okay.
Deep breaths.
Here we go. Oh. If I didn't have the hiccups, I feel like this would be a bit easier.
Stupid hiccups.
And down. Down on the knees. On the knees. There's the drains. They're coming along too.
They gotta come along with you.
Lifting. I think this is an appropriate weight that I can lift.
That was good. Oh, you're going for the bonus round?
For the game. I feel like the Hunchback of Notre Dame right now because I can't stand up straight. I'm gonna need some like scissors for this shit possibly. No, we got this. I don't actually know how an Xbox works, so I don't know where to put this in. Can we find the button? I know, I just mean is this the spot? What's up? I am victorious!
Oh, but now
INDEPEN. What? What'd you say?
I was like, but now you have to switch the TV.
Oh, I need the remote for that.
Sure.
Here you go. I have strong legs, so it makes this easier. Now I'm gonna sit back down for an hour.
You're probably gonna crash out because you just worked a lot. You wanna go to the restroom? Alright, congrats on your
Thanks for my
movement.
achievement. I'm pretty proud of myself. Danae went and got me some of these. These are those Texas fresh juices. They're like cold pressed. And this one's actually yummy. It has like aloe vera and stuff in it. And coconut water, so I get all my nutrients. Thanks, Danae. Best nurse ever. Christian gets like, he's like, you know, he's okay.
You're at least a nurse.
Nah, he's a good nurse. He just eats all my food.
I'm
And
not good at a trier.
doesn't.
Practicing.
He's learning.
We'll have a recap of your training session at the end of the week.
We have another training session tonight, and then maybe tomorrow.
I'll give you some feedback.